And could we then
Yeah.
check out the pricing plans? Because we can go for free and then just create some
Yeah.
content, or we can, I guess, the bigger brands or just those who like UGC and know how to work with this, they like getting on a plan
Right.
because they get cheaper per unit, like per.
Yeah, so agencies will use the agency plan if they're, ordering, let's say, $5,000 or more per month from us, then they save quite a bit of money doing this. Pay as you go basically is free. So you just
Mhm.
sign up here. You get, no additional credits every month. So these coins are basically joint brands credits towards our platform. And then you get to, create unlimited campaigns. There's nothing, no issue there. And the platform fee is 15%, as I said. So super easy, pretty simple pricing on the $99 plan. A lot of brands that are, doing it here and there, they're getting, extra revisions. They're getting, collaborators so they can invite their team members to have their own accounts. They can extend
Mhm.
deadlines
Mhm.
for creators. So there's some stuff that they can do there. We also have where I showed you that people can search for creators on our platform so you can invite them to your campaign just like you would on like Upwork or something like that. Say, hey, come join my campaign. You're gonna be limited to 3 invites on this one, and then you get 20 on the brand account per campaign, and then 100 invites per campaign on the bigger plan. So pretty much super simple pricing. Mostly people upgrade for additional features. We're gonna have analytics here pretty soon, so that will be on a plan if you want full analytics of your videos. So it'll be on the $99 plan, and you can see a lot of data about your videos and how to make them better. And it's all data straight from TikTok.
And do we pay you with a credit card once per month or once per investment into the videos or?
Yeah. So these are monthly plans right
Uh-huh.
here. And then for pay as you go, there you do enter a credit card because you need it to pay for our campaigns, but there's no cost per month. So you can leave it on and you'll never have a charge unless you buy content from us. So that's the nice thing about pay as you go. You can also do wire. So like clients that, spend a lot of money with us, they'll wire money to our account and we'll
Yeah.
track it, so that they don't have to pay the credit card fees.
And there's the monthly and annual AC, 10% off for annual
Mhm.
investment, just for
Yeah.
those
So
who see the value and kind of want to save some money and
for sure. Yeah.
pretty awesome. And then we can pay you said wire, a credit card, PayPal maybe. Do you use that? I'm just curious because I know some
No,
sellers
no,
no.
we don't.
So
And you can
basically,
link your TikTok shop here, eventually your Amazon
uh-huh.
store, Shopify store, and all that good stuff, so that you can basically see all the tracking of your, information and your sales and all that good stuff from these videos.